Mike, we've talked a lot about the trusted data platform, but what we haven't talked about is security and identity and security. How's that built into the platform, and what's your thoughts about that as you talk to customers as we roll out this platform?
Creating the data, creating the trusted data is incredibly important, but the other thing is securing that data. And if you look at one of the most important and challenging attack vectors is that people try to get in. If you go back in time, and look at all the ransomware and things that happen, what happens is people get in and take control of Active Directory. And so we have our identity defense platform, which also protects our customers. And so the fact is that and obviously within Quest, which you're very familiar with. So, a combination of having the trusted data products as well as the ability to defend against people coming in and essentially stealing your data. Like, that's what people want to get to. They want to get to the crown jewels of what is important to your business, and that's your data. And they either use ransomware and lock things up, or they exfiltrate that data. But so having the data created, having the data protected, I think that's two very important factors to the success of AI.
That's great. As a CIO, my job is to protect everything from soup to nuts, from the network stack all the way up to the technology stack of applications. And the security of data, the integrity of the data, the integrity of our Active Directory systems, all of that weighs on my mind every night when I'm going home and thinking about the business for the next day. So what you said to me kind of resonates with me as a CIO. That's what we should be talking to our customers about, but you're talking to me, and that's what's important to me.
All right, fantastic, and it's incredibly exciting to me because we see this intersection. Like the world has come together, and you've got data, but you need to protect it, and so we have this intersection and kind of things coming together on what we offer. We offer obviously the premier data products platform, but we also offer the premier trusted identity defense platform as well. So these are two fantastic products, and right now this is front and center in the world. And with AI becoming just proliferating, it's just really incredibly important that people have trusted data and that they protect it. So that's great to hear.
Two scalable platforms that could be used in an environment such as Quest or for many of our customers.
Absolutely.